Hello, this is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. This video is for a repair shop in Cathedral City, California. And this is the first video. This is the bench test of throttle bodies from SL600 95 model. Okay guys, so I got your units repaired. Wires only, motors I left intact because these units are really clean. So I think you mentioned that these units came from a very low mileage vehicle and motors felt okay, so we're going to just stay with just rewiring. Okay, so rewiring, bench test and whatnot. So this is where we are. Both units cleaned off extremely well, very nice and clean. And this is just the underside of the other one. Well, the camera doesn't focus well, but a little bit of dirt here and there, but nonetheless they look really nice. Okay, so I just want to show you the bench test first because they have been on the bench for about maybe about 20 hours by now, so maybe even more, maybe even 24, 27. So let me show you temperatures. This is the unit's temperatures. They hit about 80s. Cold unit, this is the cold unit. As you can see, it's around 60 something. So these units had been energized and they've been working for a while because it's very difficult to get them to warm up because they're aluminum, so aluminum dissipates heat very well. So just wanted to show you that. The test e-gas module is 129 e-gas module, which is the one that you should have. This is the SL module, and actual values. So I'm doing this is the first part because I want to show you the bench, and then I'm going to show you how they work on the vehicle, because right now on the bench they do not open all the way. They only open about 70%, I guess, something like that. Yeah, something like that, 70% maybe. And my most important thing is the actual values, what the computer sees. So these units said they've been on the bench doing just exactly what you see what they're doing, opening and closing. So now we're going to look at the live readings. As you can see, they both activate and they move and they work. So idle is first. So we have 454, 454. These are references. That's not really that important. 454. So what we want to see here is we want to see voltages follow. So when I open throttles just a little bit, well, halfway actually, we need to see voltages correlate. Again, these are references, don't mind those. We just need to see the primary ones. And all the way up to wide open throttle is 1.99. That's where most of the V12s, pretty much all of them, end up being. These voltages, they're not going to be exactly mirror image, so that's not a big deal. What we want to see is we want to see the tracing of these voltages. So 3.05, 3.03, that's fine. It's just 0.3 hundredths of a volt. That's just no computable sense that in that era. Nowadays it would, but not in 1995. So 3.56, 3.54. I've seen discrepancy even more than that. Nothing to worry about. We just want to be close. 4.35, 4.35. Just close it down just a little bit more. And 4.48, 4.48. So I don't have any issues with these units. They have been working non-stop. They work fine still. And right now I just need to use a bench for something else. But this was a good test. So these units are pretty much ready. I just need to show you the full activation on the vehicle, so you will see wide open throttle when they're connected to another V12. Okay, so this is all for me. for now. This is part 1. Part 2 is coming up. This is Victor at restoringmercedes.com. Thank you for watching.